This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, taking our Bronco out for a drive. There you see the speedometer, getting up to 55. Good suspension over that bumpy old bridge. There's some wind noise because of needing window channel and stuff, but that is getting repaired. So, just kind of showing you how it drives, goes down the road great. Steering wheel's nice and straight. Suspension's good and everything. These are good driving Broncos. This generation 2. A little longer wheelbase, a little bigger vehicle, more on a pickup wheelbase, so they drive a little nicer. A little more room inside, a little more comfortable. So I seen one at Bear Jackson this year bring $200,000. Now that didn't have the original motor like this does, but it had a Coyote motor. But still, that's freaking big money for this generation. Said we're gonna put a blinkers, turn signal switch in, and weather strip on the windows, and should be ready to go. A couple of things are dome light and the horn. We'll take a quick look at them. They're usually not too big of a deal. Brakes work good. Solid shift. That was second to third. So, if you're looking for a Generation 2 Bronco, this is a pretty nice one. 605-695-7391.